According to this way, I will say great fitna of percentage. What is in the basic belief of Islam, especially on Khatm Nubuwwat. This is fitna of Qadiani. Dear friends, I am saying from beginning. His name is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani. He was born in 1840. He was younger son of Mirza Ghulam Murtaza. This family was that time servant of British. Mirza Ghulam Murtaza was a broker of British. He had cheated the Muslims for British government. Dear brothers, there many were held against British after taking over this country. At last, at the age of Bahadur Shah in 1850-70, Azadi Andolan has held. Over the Muslims has lost in this war, but these wars and fights was fallen British in anxiety. In 1857, a team sent under the leadership of William Hunter. They report to British government the Indian Muslims obey religion's heart. Disobey rule of non-Muslim is their religious lesson. There is order of war in the religious book Quran against non-Muslims. So their religious leaders explore fatwa that the India become an enemy country. So the jihad is obligatory on Muslims. Then they claim to British government to set up a prophet among Muslims. It has been accepted by them. So they have chosen Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani as a fake prophet. In 1901, he claimed himself as a prophet, and he stood in it strongly till date. Dear brothers, all Muslim countries forbidden this theory, but they can spread their religious theory in Bangladesh.